I'm Bboydwine. Today, we will teach you a 4-step variation floor combo. But before that, please subscribe to my channel, Bboydwine TV. Click like and share, and click the notification bell as well. Come on, let's go!
I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit, so sharp, so...
So yun guys, let's start na sa ginawa nating 4-step floor combo variation. Alright? Ginawa ko kayo na guys, at depends on you guys kung ano yung una yung gagamitin or what will the first step you going to do. Alright? Ang ginawa ko, it's this one. Alright? Pero bago ko ginawa yun guys, nag-top rock muna tayo. So that's only one basic for a bboying. Alright? Bboying, this one guys, top rock, it depends on you. Alright? Depends on you kung ilan po yung gagawin ninyo yung top rock. But for me, ang gagawin ko is top lang. Alright? Top rock from the left, right, and left. And this one, ito na guys yung magiging buwelo ko para gawin yung 4-step variation. Alright? Ulitin lang natin guys. 4-step, left and right. Then first from the right leg, and yung left leg ko guys, yung left yung hook sa kanan, alright? From the right side, alright? Ulitin na natin guys. Top rock, top rock, top rock, then left, front, then hook from the left side. So since nag-hook to guys, ganyan tayo guys, then we're going to turn around at the left side, right? Turn around. So nakaangat lang to guys ng konti, yung knee. So nakaangat siya ng ganyan, then iikot tayo guys. Isang ikot lang, then since yung left side natin naka-hook kanina, after we turn around, forward na siya sa front, right? Ulitin lang natin guys, one more, top rock, left, top rock, right, left, then yung right leg guys, magiging front, then hook, then turn around, angat ng konti, then front, right? Since nakaganyan na guys, naka-hook, front, then yung isang kamay natin guys, yung left, from here, upo tayo, and then the right leg, go insert guys sa ilalim ng left leg. So nakaganyan na siya guys. Okay? Since nakaganyan na, then pupunta tayo dito. From here, ulitin natin guys. Leg. Then, balik guys. Then, dadali na yung right leg. See, left leg. Pupunta sa position na ganito guys. Alright? Ulitin na natin. One more. Okay? Top rock, then hook, left hook, turn around left, then front, then going to the right, lusot yung kanan, then the left. Right, from here, from nakaganyan na guys, balik tayo, then itong si right leg, going to the back, then hook. So magiging right hook na siya guys, alright? Since nag-right hook na siya guys, ang turn around natin is sa kanan na rin, or right. Right. Then after right, ganun ulit. Gagamitin natin ulit yung kanan. Then insert naman natin si left leg. Papunta dito. Then, pose. Right? That's called 4-step floor variation. Right? After that, balik ulit. Then, back, sweep. Then, hook. Okay? One more. 4-step, then right hook, left hook, turn around, then lusot, punta sa kanan, then here, then kabila naman guys, lusot, turn around, then ikot, right hook, then turn around from the right, from here, then left, insert yung left leg, then right, close, and then balik, back sweep, then hook, then pause. Alright? So ngayon, gagawin natin, bibilisan na natin. Alright? Come on, let's go. Okay, top rock, hook, then right, hook, then hook, then back sweep, then turn around. Alright? So ngayon, bibilisan pa natin ng konti. Let's go! Alright, sana may natutunan kayo sa pinuro natin ngayon na 4-step gyration floor combo. Come on, let's go!
I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just